Hi everyone, so I am back today to do another craft with me video. This one is just making a pocket and a tag using some of my freebies and a couple of pages from my new little kit that I brought out. So they're the two pages that I picked, and I'm just going to start off here with just doing a little bit of inking up. So I'm just kind of guessing, and then I get the trimmer, not the trimmer. Well, I'm using the scoring part of the trimmer. So I think I've done that at 10 centimeters or 10.5 centimeters. I'm just giving myself a little edge around the side, and also I do that again at the bottom. I'm just seeing how much of that I actually want. So just giving myself that little edge again, just so that I can do all the folding up. So just folding them little edges in. As you can see, I'd done a misprint on the back, so I wasn't wasting that. So I kept it and ran it through the printer again. I think my inks had run a little bit low. So here I'm just going to fold it all in place, add some glue. And then I realised I hadn't punched a little notch out, so just doing that. So now I'm just inking up around the edges. I used the Tim Holtz Vintage Photo Distress Oxide. This is a little bit of vellum that I ran through one of my embossing folders. So I'm just trimming off and cutting a little piece out to make a pocket. And I didn't keep it there, I moved it from there. So the glue that I'm using for that is the super tacky glue. It's actually really good. I hadn't used it before, and that was all they had the other week, so I thought I'll try it. So there we go, I'm just popping that up there, didn't put it down the bottom. The image there is a freebie over on my coffee shop, so if you want to go over and check that out, you can find the links below in the description box. So because I'd used that vellum, I thought I would still use that glue to make sure that the image stuck to the vellum properly. Then I'm just going to get some embossed cream paper. Well, it's a thicker paper, but not quite a card. Then we're just putting some normal glue on there. And we have a butterfly, and we have a label here from TaylorMade. It's not from TaylorMadeJournals, it's from the old design shop. A butterfly's from ARTYmaze. The word here is from ARTYmaze, and it's from one of the builder cluster kits. Little bit of bling for the butterfly, of course. So that's the pocket done. Now to make the tag. So I'm going to use one of the other images that I have as a freebie on my coffee shop, and I was just marking where I want to cut the cardstock. This is just a cream cardstock, and I think I do that at 6 inches in height. I'm just using this tag template just to trim the tops off to give the little tag effect. Them acrylic templates, ARTYmaze was selling them. I don't know if she still has them, but they were in her coffee shop. So here I'm just putting like spare pieces that I didn't use from making the pocket. I'm just putting that at the, well, I'm now gone onto the top of the tag. Just using a bit of embossed paper here, and we'll just trim that off. The bottom piece that I'm going to use was just the leftover piece from doing the pocket. Just inking up around the edges. And again, that's scrappy piece that I'm using was from my new little kit, the what did I call that? I can't remember. It's like French Ledger or Roses or something like that. I'll put a link in the description box below. So we're gluing that on. And we'll just do some decorating. Some more vellum. Just a little piece down the bottom there. Can you hear the birds? It's really early in the morning when I'm doing this. I'm actually still laying in bed doing this because it's nice and quiet up here. So using another label from the old design shop, another butterfly from ARTYmaze. And we just pop that on there. And just slide the label just slightly under the butterfly. And then the word again is from ARTYmaze. So now I'm just going to punch a little hole in my tag, and then I'm going to go and, well, I'll put the bling on, but then I go and do some stitching on the tag and on the pocket. Then I'm just going to put my eyelet in. So if you're going to use an eyelet, always do that after you've stitched because you don't want that getting jammed up in your machine. Little bit of like a thin cotton. Tie a bow in that, and that's me done. So that is how I done that. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.